Okay, right now I'm just going to weld this up rough. I want to obviously get bigger than the 1/2 inch and the 0.3 thickness. I don't think I have to worry about the thickness too much. Again, I think it's just out of round. So I'm going to continue to weld this. And we'll grind it. Show us grinding it here in just a second. Okay. So here's the ugliness. We have to grind it down to those dimensions. And we'll be using this 12-inch grinder. Then we come in and measure it out. Of course, now you're looking at 0.56, so a little over 1/2 inch. So we got a little bit of grinding to do there, and then the thickness. So I'll grind it down and show you from time to time as I'm grinding it the progress that we're making. Okay, we're getting there. We'll continue to grind that, round it out a little bit. It's not going to be perfect. It doesn't really have to be. So I'll continue. Okay, so we can see that we're starting to really get it rounded out a little bit. I did add a little bit up to the thickness because we wanted it 0.301. Quick measurement if we can. Let's see what we got. So we're at, we're a little big right now. We're at 0.6. And as far as thickness, let's see what we got for thickness. We're just a little bit thick. So we're going to work on that real delicately because we don't need to take much off, but we can always weld more on. So let's continue. All right, let's check this again, shall we? At the end, you really want to take it nice and slow so you don't take too much off, even though we're not going to let perfect be the enemy of good. Close will be good enough for this. As you can see, because that thing was really worn when we took it apart, and it was operating just fine. So we're at 0.58, so we're still a little bit big on that. As far as thickness, let's see where we're sitting as far as thickness, and we're looking for around 0.3, and we're at 307, and they're calling for 301, so that'll be fine for that, I think. But we're going to hit the outside just a little bit more. We're going to want it closer, just a little bit. We're at 5.7, so we're real close to the 5.6 like they're looking for. So we're just going to hit it up a little bit, and then we'll be ready to put it back together. That'll be the next video.